Looking for your IMEI in the Mint mobile app? Here's the quick answer: you won't find it there. As of late 2025, the Mint mobile app, whether on iPhone or Android, doesn't display your device's IMEI. This is intentional for security and privacy reasons. The IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity, is a unique 15-digit code that identifies your phone's hardware. It's crucial for things like warranty claims, device tracking, and reporting a lost or stolen phone. So where do you find it if not in the app? Keep watching. For iPhones running iOS 18 or later, go to Settings, then General, then About. Scroll down and you'll find your IMEI listed there. Alternatively, for any phone, simply dial 6 on your keypad and the IMEI will appear instantly on your screen. For Android phones running Android 12 or later, navigate to Settings, then About Phone, then Status, and look for IMEI information. Remember, your IMEI is tied to your device's hardware, not your Mint mobile account. If you need to report a lost or stolen device, use these methods to get your IMEI.